In this video, we'll show you how you can change the subject line for a notification by replacing or adding attributes. Before starting, let's make sure some preparation steps are in place. You will need to use a custom job role similar to Application Implementation Consultant or add BI Publisher Data Model Developer and the BI Author role to your custom role. You should have the BPM work list open to configure the notification. You should also have the support document available, configurable notifications and subject lines. And finally, you should have Notepad or other text editor available. Let's look at an example of a notification for an employee's assignment change. The subject line contains the following attributes: display name, person number, and assignment effective date. Let's redo this subject line to use only the first name and add the department name to the end for a total of 4 attributes. First, navigate to the BPM work list, click the bell icon, click Show All, click Work List. From the menu, select Administration and the Task Configuration tab. Search for the task to be configured, in this example, the Change Assignment task. Click on the task. On the General tab, the page displays the current default title, which shows 3 attributes by number, 0, 1, and 2. Before you make a change, let's access the reference document to view the default attributes. On My Oracle Support, you can access this recommended document for more information. Navigate to the References section and click Configurable Notifications Title Spreadsheet. This spreadsheet contains the details for HCM task notifications. We will use these 2 columns for our reference information. Notice for the assignment change, the 0, 1, and 2 attribute references in the title and the mapping of each attribute in the attribute mapping column. As a tip, it is recommended to copy the notification title onto Notepad. Also, copy the attribute mapping details to the Notepad. On the attribute details, we can see 0 is mapped to display name, 1 is mapped to person number, and 2 is mapped to effective start date. Notice each attribute has a specific path. Remember, we were going to add department to the subject line, so let's add that placeholder. There are now 4 attributes to map. Back on the BPM work list, click Edit to start modifying the subject line. At the title, click on the globe icon to create the content in 1 or more languages. In our example, we will add an English translation. You can name the key any unique name. Copy and paste your prepared title from Notepad, or enter it in the English title field, being sure to add the department reference and placeholder. Now you will simply map the attributes for the 4 placeholders. Just click on the Arguments Edit icon. The 4 parameters in the title are listed and ready for mapping to the payload attributes. First, click the lookup icon and locate the first name on the variables list. Remember to follow the path from the reference document we copied into Notebook. Click on the desired variable, then click Insert into Expression, then OK. You will repeat mapping each parameter until all values are complete for this subject line. We filled in the next 2 variables. Let's complete the final one for department. Navigate to the desired attribute, click Insert into Expression, and OK. With all the attributes mapped, click OK. Once finished, click the Commit Task icon to save the changes. Now the title for this notification displays the new title. Going forward, when the notification is delivered, the system displays the new subject line. For more information on this topic, you can view the courses on Oracle University or reference the available guides on Oracle Help Center. Thanks for watching.